I am C.C. Thomas, designated senior lawyer from Kerala High Court. I, along with my wife and co-brothers and co-sisters, visited today the St Francis Church, and it is very nice, and we got blessed by coming here and praying for entire family and the nation. So it is a wonderful monument, and we are praying for that, and we know that St. Francis will take care of all of us.
I'm Angelina Fernandez, and we are Catholics, and we've been coming here every year since the pandemic. So really attached coming after 2 years, and our faith in St. Francis is tremendous, and I feel really honored to have this experience being in Goa. And I pray and bless everyone who's seen, and we all those who are sick get well soon.
मेरा नाम सेल्वराज है. हम तमिलनाडु वेलांगनी से आ रहे हैं. तमिलनाडु में वेलांगनी है ना, उधर से आ रहे हैं. हम 1974 से आ रहे हैं. 8 साल 47 वर्ष रेगुलर है. ऑफिस का टाइम इधर ही रहेगा. दूसरा टाइम में साल में 10 बार आता है, इधर रेगुलर आता है. अभी सोच रहे हैं उधर मेरा घर में इधर सीधा आएगा, फटाफट आएगा. 1300 किलोमीटर उधर से रेगुलर आता है. बहुत विश्वास है. मेरा पैकेट में देखो बीबी जेवियर है. वेलांगनी माता फेमस है, वर्ल्ड फेमस है, लेकिन ये मेरा पास इतना विश्वास है. कुछ प्रॉब्लम थी सीधे इधर आएगा, 1 घंटा 2 घंटा इधर बैठ के प्रेयर करके जाएगा. इसलिए बहुत विश्वास है हमको, इसलिए आ रहे हैं.
I stay in Bombay, and every time I have a house in Goa. So every time I come to Goa, the first after having a bath, the first thing that I do is come to Old Goa and pray in front of St Francis Xavier. And during the Navinas, I try and make it over here at least 1 or 2 Navinas, and sometimes very rarely that is for the feast. And my devotion to St Francis has started a long time back. He has been one of my favorite saints since I belong to a Jesuit parish, and St Francis also was a Jesuit priest, so that attachment is more. Although the founder is St Ignatius, but my attachment is more towards St Francis because the Amcho Goencho Saib.